It takes an average of 15 years to develop and approve a new drug, at a cost of approximately $1.2 billion. More than 50% of the overall cost is attributed to animal and human testing. These numbers are not sustainable for pharma companies or patients around the world. Much of the extensive testing and clinical trials required to bring a drug to market focuses on how the drug is metabolized in the liver. Why the liver? Because liver tissue contains high levels of important enzymes called CYP proteins that are responsible for breaking down, absorbing, and detoxifying drugs when taken for human and animal treatment. The reason this process is so labor-intensive, time-consuming, and costly is because the methods used today involve duplicating the liver metabolism process using actual liver slices, bodily fluids, and cell lines derived from animals and humans. Besides relying on harmful animal testing, these diagnostic methods are often chemically inconclusive. Pharmaceutical companies are always looking for more optimal ways to mimic or duplicate the way CYP proteins metabolize drugs in the liver in order to determine potential toxicity issues early on, select the most effective compounds for further study, and develop better and safer drugs for the marketplace. The good news is that a groundbreaking solution is now available from Empiriko, an innovative biotechnology company located in Newton, Massachusetts. Empiriko's unique chemosynthetic liver platform, called biomimics, closely mimics the metabolizing function of the liver by incorporating chemical catalysts, biological processes, and computational modeling. The power of this synthetic liver technology is that it can be used to quickly and precisely predict the liver's metabolic reactions to drugs, accelerating drug development, uncovering safety issues, reducing the time and cost of clinical trials, and decreasing the need for animal testing. Empiriko's important scientific achievements in developing and perfecting synthetic liver technology have been well publicized in scientific journals and the mainstream press in 2014. The medical applications and economic impact of biomimics technology are far-reaching. For new drug discovery, scientists can use our biomimics technology to mimic reactions in the liver in order to quickly screen a series of drug compounds for metabolism profiling and prediction in hours instead of days or weeks. For clinical trials, scientists can use biomimics to quickly test a patient's blood or plasma to determine their metabolic response to a spectrum of drugs for unexpected reactions, dosing levels, and potential adverse reactions. These applications have established a foundation for additional products in the pipeline. Empiriko is developing a diagnostic test, a synthetic liver on a chip, that quickly shows if a newly prescribed drug will be safe, effective, and dose appropriate for a patient, and if that drug might cause a toxic reaction with other drugs being taken. The benefits here are enormous in improving patient outcomes and reducing costs without involving trial and error during treatment. Empiriko is also applying biomimics technology to advanced medical devices, such as an affordable liver dialysis system for cleansing toxins from patients diagnosed with liver failure. Such a device could be plugged into a larger dialysis system to detoxify a patient's blood, modulate blood chemistries, and recirculate blood back into the patient, buying life-saving time until transplant organs become available. We hope we have inspired your imagination about Empiriko and biomimics. To be a part of this revolutionary chemosynthetic liver technology, please contact us today.